Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished leaders, 100 years.
Thank you. Think of this monument. We are calling it a monument.
And ribbons of blue.
I think the government is taking a good responsibility for looking after its people, and that I would welcome anything that the government does to ensure that more people get access to affordable medicines.
Something is a burning issue, that how we can actually look into that the cost of the medicine or any brand which we also sell, how it can be controlled that the customers across or the patient across get at a reasonable price. We are working day and night in terms of easing up our costing in this. We are also working that how these products can be more locally manufactured in terms of reducing the supply chain cost. At the same time, how we can actually make Kaluma made in Kenya in future, so that all are across all range of Kaluma are available made in Kenya.